Cleo reviews usually focus on three things: how easy the app feels to use, whether its features match expectations, and how users feel about getting financial help through an app. By the end, you will know what to look for in Cleo discussions, how to separate useful feedback from complaints, and how to decide if the app fits your situation. The first thing to understand is that online reviews are usually based on personal experiences, not a guarantee of what every user will experience. One person may like Cleo because the app interface feels simple, and another person may dislike it because a feature did not work the way they expected. When reading Reddit discussions about Cleo, focus on repeated patterns instead of single comments. A single positive or negative post does not show the full picture. Multiple users mentioning the same issue or benefit gives you a better idea of what people commonly experience. The first area people usually discuss is the app experience. Look for comments about setup, navigation, notifications, and how clearly the app explains its features. If users repeatedly mention that something is confusing, that can tell you where new users may need extra attention. The second area is customer support and problem resolution. Reviews often reveal how users feel after something goes wrong. Pay attention to whether people describe their issue being understood, whether they found answers, and whether the process felt straightforward. The third area is expectations. Financial apps can have specific rules and limitations, so many complaints come from users expecting a feature to work differently. Before making a decision, check the official information inside the app and compare it with what reviewers describe. A good way to evaluate Cleo reviews is to make a short checklist. Look for repeated comments, compare both positive and negative experiences, and check whether the review matches what you actually need from a financial app. The main points are simple. First, online reviews show individual experiences, not guaranteed results. Second, repeated feedback is more useful than one comment. Third, always compare user opinions with the app's own information before making a decision. Your next step is to read several recent Cleo discussions and write down the benefits and problems that appear more than once. If this helped you understand how to evaluate app reviews, subscribe for more practical guides and comparisons.